everyone, it's Kyra, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to do this really easy and affordable holiday makeup look. I partnered with Kroger to share with you guys all of their amazing makeup brands that they have to offer. Now everything you'll see in this video I did pick up at Kroger, and you can find it as well at your local Kroger or your local Kroger family of stores. Now again, they have a wide array of brands to choose from. They have COVERGIRL, Maybelline, and so much more. And honestly you guys, they have enough to do this look and so many more. So let's go ahead and hop into the tutorial. Alright guys, so first step is going to be to go ahead and fill in your brows with a brow pencil. I'm going to be using the COVERGIRL Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Honey Brown. I love this pencil and I love that it's dual-ended, so you can easily fill in the brows and also blend the brows in together as well. And then with the pencil in, I'm going to go ahead and outline the top and bottom of the brow, and then just lightly fill them in using light brow strokes. So once you've gone ahead and applied a shadow primer of your choice, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline The Nudes palette. Now this palette here is absolutely gorgeous. It's very neutral and versatile, and they have a nice mix of mattes and shimmers as well. I'm going to first go in and take this is not a shadow, this is actually the Maybelline Fit Me Bronze Powder. I use this for bronzer, but I want to go ahead and just apply this in my crease really quickly, just as a nice base for the eye look. Next up, I'm going to take this light brown shade here from that palette just to help deepen up that outer V area. It is a bit of a matte chocolate brown, so it'll add some nice warmth to the eye look. And then for the lid, I'm going to go in with this really pretty bronze shade there and just apply that all over the lid. Yeah, I definitely think that the color actually pays off a lot better if you use your finger instead of using a brush, so just note that whenever you're using this palette. And I may even smoke it out just a little bit with this dark matte black down here, which I love whenever palettes have a matte black because I feel like that's the perfect way to make it look really smoky. So I'm going to add just a smidget of this color into my outer V as well. Last thing I'm going to do on the eyes for now is going to be just to add a little bit of liner to the top lash line. I don't want to create a really bold wing today because I want to keep it really soft and subtle. But I definitely want something on the lash band. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liner and just apply this along the top lash band. Gonna clean up any fallout with the Kroger brand makeup wipes. Now onto the face, I'm gonna go ahead and take the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock Primer as my mattifying primer base for this look. Apply this to the areas that I get the most oily, which is my forehead, my chin, and my nose. For foundation, I want to go ahead and take the Maybelline Superstay Foundation in the shade Toffee Caramel. So apply this all over my skin. I love this foundation because it is such full coverage and it is amazing for oily skin. Now for concealer, I'm going to take my favorite one at the moment, which is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Golden. I love this one because it has amazing coverage and it blends out flawlessly. And then let's go ahead and blend it out with a beauty sponge of your choice. I'm going to go ahead and set those highlighted areas with the Maybelline Loose Fit Me Powder in the shade Medium Deep. I love this powder because it's very finely milled and it's light enough just to give my skin the right amount of brightness, but it's not too bright, if that makes sense. Now I'm going to take the L'Oreal Pro Matte Infallible Powder in the shade Classic Tan. And this is great for not only adding in some warmth to the skin, but also just to help set everything and make sure that everything lasts all day. Now to bronze up the skin, I'm going to go ahead and take the Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder in the shade Mocha. It's a really pretty soft brown shade. Just kind of warm up the skin again, add some depth and dimension, but not make it look too overdone. And highlight, for highlight, I'll be taking the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. Just applying that to my forehead, my chin, cheekbones, and my nose. So for lips, I went ahead and added on a deep berry liner to my lips because I wanted a nice ombre lip for today's look. So I went ahead and added a deep berry liner. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the COVERGIRL Outlast Liquid Lipstick in the shade Ever Ready. I want to go ahead and add on a little bit of black liner to my waterline just to make my eyes pop really wide and bright. So I'm going to take the COVERGIRL Perfect Point Plus liner in Black Onyx and just line my waterline. Alrighty, so that is basically it for my entire look. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some falsies and some mascara off camera, and I'll be back with the final look. And last but not least, I want to go ahead and note that to complete this entire holiday look, I went ahead and just did a simple French tip design on my nails. Just wanted to do something that was very soft and classy to kind of help tie the whole look together. So I went ahead and used the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Set. I used the color Get Mood, which is the step 1, and then you go ahead and top step 1 off with step 2, which is just the clear top coat. I also went ahead and applied a pair of false lashes off camera and also some mascara and set my face with some setting spray, and this is the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed my really easy and a really affordable makeup tutorial using a wide array of brands that I got from Kroger. I hope you guys go ahead and check them out for all of your makeup, beauty, skincare, health, whatever you need. So go ahead and check out Kroger or the Kroger family of stores for all of your makeup needs. So that is it for my holiday makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it and happy holidays. Bye everyone.